thinking of getting married, or probably you're actually thinking of getting someone a gift for their wedding. Right here at Astafans, they make it affordable for you and your loved one to actually come here and pick out items that will look good for your house. On today's show, we talk with Natalie Marshall Joseph, a wedding expert, on ideas or gift ideas for putting together your registry or actually getting gifts for someone for their wedding. This segment is brought to you by Ocean. Stay tuned, we have an exciting show coming up.
How is Libresse the best fit for your body? Let me show you. Only Libresse has secure fit technology. That means it has a wider front, narrower middle, curves neatly in the back to fit your every curve, and deep flow channels that drive liquid quickly inside. What else does Libresse come with?
Confidence, darling.
So make the change for good, ladies.
Libresse. Absorption is nothing without fit.
Welcome back. And as I promised you before the break, we're going to be talking to Natalie about the sort of gift ideas you can come up with if you're buying for a wedding or if you're building your very own registry. Natalie, welcome again.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
It's good to see you back on the A-Team show.
It's nice being here with you again.
We have changed a bit. You're a bit blonder.
Blonder and longer. And you're still short.
But I'm ultraviolet. I'm ultra, yes. Yes. Welcome again. Thanks for being here. Now, Natalie, first of all, I want to know, I've experienced it, and I know a few people have experienced it, especially years gone, when you buy gifts for a wedding and you might end up as the bride or the groom with like 8 clocks or 4 blenders.
It happens.
Or sort of, what should you consider when you're actually getting a gift for a wedding?
Okay, well, you know, nowadays the persons tend to trend towards monetary gifts. But for those who are still in along the traditional path, it's always best for the couple themselves to set up a registry, a bridal registry. That is, selecting items that you would like for your home, because if you already have your home, most likely there are very few things that you don't have.
Yes.
So the items that you don't have, based on that, you can come here and select items that you don't have at your home that your guests can purchase for you as gifts. The registry, you select what you want.
So it serves as a guide for someone.
Guests.
A lot of times people don't understand what is the whole registry concept. Especially if you're getting married, there's a very good chance that you're going to be moving into a new home, or you've probably built your home already, or you're in the process of building your home. So you want to ensure that you have nice items that can go in, and you're not having too many copies of the same thing.
And the other thing is that you can take it room by room.
Yes.
You can start from your kitchen with the smaller items, spoons, plates, forks, whatever, and build up from there. And you can go to your bathroom where you can select down to your toilet bowl, your toilet seat. It's up to you, depending on who your guest is.
Exactly.
And if they've got the
but you know, Natalie, I absolutely love registry. The registry concept. Why? Because you might think, okay, I'm going to buy something for somebody, and you go on their registry and you might pick up a very nice item for like $30. Whereas if you had to do a monetary gift, you don't want to put $30 in an envelope, right? So it kind of sort of makes it more economical for you as the person buying the gift for the party. Now, I want to get into some of the ideas and some of the items that you could put into your registry. I know you could pretty much put anything into it, but I want to give the viewers and listeners a little bit of an idea as to what Astafans has that would look absolutely lovely in your home, be it in your kitchen, be it in your bedroom, or be it if you want to get probably furniture, if your parents or your in-laws are gonna get you a house, as the wedding gift.
It is possible.
It is very possible. We're going to be walking around and checking out a few items that would look classy and look elegant in your home, and you can add it onto your registry. So we're going to be join us. Now we're in household here at Astafan, and there's a wide range of items. First of all, kitchen is not my favorite place. I mean, everybody knows that. I don't like to cook, but I like to see pretty things in kitchen. So when you're picking out items, it's best to always grab somebody with you. So you make sure you have one of the staff at Astafans, so they come along with you and they pretty much pick out the items and they enter it into a software that can generate your registry for you.
right.
Now, give me some ideas as to what sort of things could I get for my new home.
Okay, so since you fool your eyes,
Yes. Nice food.
instead of going through the process to fill your stomach, we have platters. Here we have a range of platters. We have small ones, we have medium, we have large. And these are quite beautiful and they're reasonably priced at Astafans. As a matter of fact, they're only $24
For the large one.
For the large one. So if you're a person like Jael here, who doesn't like to process but likes to see things looking pretty, this is an ideal item that you can have for as part of your registry.
Pots and pans?
Of course, for the pots and the pans and so forth, again, variety and range.
Okay.
For persons who, if you're a couple that likes to hang out with friends and cook on the beach and that sort of thing,
The big pots.
yes, you can go from very large to very small.
And they also have pressure cookers.
Of course. And for the persons who like to the traditional type cast iron pots, you can get one of these at Astafans as well.
And more platters, right? More platters.
Plastic. We also have gravy dishes. For if you have a large family and so forth, you have a gathering at your home.
So we're putting together our registry, and sometimes you might say, what would be the acceptable amount of dinnerware to put in that registry? So, for example, I like this one. You see, I'm holding on to it tight. I like this one. How many of these should I actually put in my registry?
How many seats are at your dinner table?
4.
Okay, so you get 4 people.
Okay, because as much as I sit 4, I always have more people eating.
You can always, well, the good thing is that these don't come as a set.
Yes.
Right? So you can choose any amount.
A la carte.
But practically, based on what your dinner table sits at your home, you can work with that.
The same would apply for cups, glasses, teacups, and stuff like that. Now, there are a wide range of items to choose from right here at Astafans, especially in the household department. And all you do is just pick out the items that you want, and they place it into your registry, and you can have your guests come on. You just let them know on your invitation that your registry is at Astafans, and they come on now and they can actually pick up the items. We're going to go to the appliance section because we want to show you some different items that you can actually pick up or add to your registry right here at Astafans. Now we're in the appliance section of Astafans. There's so many different items to choose from. Natalie, what I absolutely like about Astafans is that if you actually picking out your items and something is a blue tag, or as we like to call it, on sale, whatever you actually put it in as in your registry, that's actually the price the person will buy for you. So that's actually a good thing to note.
That's right.
For example, like they have quite a bit of the food processors are blue tagged right now, so you can actually pick it up and say, okay, they're going to be paying the sale price for it when they pick it up for me. Now, give me some ideas as to what sort of small appliances can somebody put in their registry.
Blenders, food processors, a heater, or as you also know, the iron for smoothing your clothes and so forth. You have toaster ovens, even a microwave. You have kettle, a wide variety of items to choose from, and they are all here at us.
So when you're picking out items, just bear all of these things in mind when you're picking out your different items for your registry. There are lots of different items to choose from right here at Astafans. The price is right. You can build your own registry, and there's no limit to how many things you can have on there.
Absolutely none. Absolutely none. Again, what you don't have, what you think of having, what you dream of having, you can all select.
How about bigger items?
Of course you can. You can do washing machine, you can do a dryer, you can do a refrigerator, and right now it's a bit hot, so some persons prefer not to get up to go to the refrigerator in the kitchen, so they want those little
the bedside coolers.
Yes, you can get that right here at Astafans.
Wow, guys, make Astafans your place for your wedding registry. All you have to do is come on down to Astafans, speak to one of the sales representatives. They'll help you set up your very own wedding registry, and your loved ones can come in and purchase the items for you. All you have to do is put a little note on your invitation that says wedding registry at Astafans, and the sales staff will be sure to help your guests pick out the right items off of your registry.